comment made me laugh because hell no, I am not manually washing cloth diapers. But I think people think that. They think you like take it out back, you pull out your washing board and you scrub it, but no, they go in the wash. You just make sure to remove all the poop. So I use a bidet sprayer to spray them into the toilet, or I'll just plop them in if they're solid. And then they just go in the wash. We wash them twice. First cycle, I do like warm, regular, a little bit of detergent. Second cycle, hot, heavy soil amount of detergent. And then they come out smelling like nothing because they're nice and clean. And then we just reuse them. So no, we don't have to manually wash our cloth diapers.